Guys, oh my god, what have I done?
When the beat drop, I'ma give it straight to him like, give it to him, give it to him, give it to
him. You guys don't know how many times I've tried to do this video and come off as if I know what I'm doing, but it's been a roller coaster. And it's because I kind of spent money that I didn't have on something that I don't know what I even need. But you know, this year has really been good to me, and 2020 was heavy on me, and I just felt, you know, I needed to reward myself. So far so good. it's just so much emotion, you know. I decided to do videos with me just bland looking, no makeup, no nothing, and I couldn't see myself because I didn't have contacts on. I'm short-sighted and like I'm nearsighted, so I couldn't see myself, so that's just a different thing. So I started off saying, okay, you know what, let me with my contacts, and for my contacts I use an eyeliner, then a mascara, then a foundation, and here we are. I think I'm going to stop using like eyeliners because I kind of look mad, but I'm not. But I know that I'm literally overwhelmed with a lot of emotion that I really can't commentalize. So I'm just trying to come off like I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm all over the place. Guys, I bought a Fitbit watch. I bought it like last week. And I haven't even opened it. Like it's scaring me to even touch and to open, and it's not like in a bad way or anything. It's just because I spent my money on this. Like, do you? I think it's a situation of me spending money on myself. It's spending no money because normally I like to spend money, but I think money is sweeter. It's sweeter to spend money when there's no money that you're spending. When is your money? Is like it's just like sirens blazing all over the place. I don't know. I'm sure you guys will find a study or a syndrome concerning people that act like this. If you're like this, please let me know down below, so I know I'm not the only one in this situation. Anyway, so in this video I'm going to be unboxing my Fitbit, and I really don't know how to act because I bought a pink one and I'm super excited about the pink one, guys. Super excited. I think it's so cute, and I haven't even opened it. I haven't even been tempted to open it at all. Like at all. I haven't even been tempted because it's just been sitting down on my table doing nothing. And you guys, I have a Fitbit watch. So I think this is going to be the year that I actually take my health and wellness seriously and hit my 10,000 steps a day mark, I hope. But yeah, I have this. I don't know how many videos I went through on YouTube before I finally decided on saying, okay, you know what, I'm gonna get a version 3. I wanted a Fitbit version 2. Then again, I'm like, what is the difference between a version 2 and a version 3, especially when it comes to money? Like, if you need to spend that kind of money, just go out, do it for a wristwatch. So, yeah, without further ado, let's unbox my wristwatch. Like, I'm excited, and then again I'm like really pissed, and there's so much emotion. So let's go. So yes, guys, we are here at the Fitbit watch packaging, and it is absolutely divine. I got to pick one, like I said earlier on, and you can see Fitbit version 3 smartwatch plus GPS. Then we have, you can find your location, your heart rate, music, chat, and battery life. A smartwatch that puts motivation on your wrist. Then we have all of this information that I know you guys are already bored of. So guys, I'm about to rip this off. Okay. Okay, that's all really. And I don't want to spoil it. Sweets. It's sweet, guys. It's sweet. Oh my god. so tasty. Okay, wait, guys. Let me adjust my sleeves, cause let me see how this goes. But I know that I'm supposed to, you know, download the app to make this whole process flawless. Honestly, I don't want to rip this apart, but this is the okay, you know what? Let me just bring this. So this is a charger. This is my charger here. Good. I'm just a mess, honestly. This is a charger, and I got it from Jumia, by the way. Jumia is Nigeria, Africa's Amazon. So yeah, so it has new Fitbit. Download the app and create an account. Have an account. Tap your account icon to get set up. And this is just basic information that I know you're already bored of. Here, I think this is the instruction manual. When is this? Anyways, so we'll get to an extra band. This is cute. It's cute. It's cute. And I think it goes over my wrist. What do you guys think? Let me know. Let me know down below. Okay, so this is another one. Okay. Let's not get bored. Let's go to the main. I'm so excited. You know what? It reminds me of all of those toy watches or kids watches when they used to be younger. All of those plastic watches, you know, when your parents had, like, you know, Rolexes and the rest, and you had to just deal with this rubber band watches that you use. But this is cute. What do you guys think? I think it's cute. I think it's really okay. You know what? I don't. Oh my god! This is divine. This is divine, guys. This is absolutely. I'm lost for words. This is just it. I'm going to strap it tighter later on, but this is how it looks like. It's so nice. We don't need anything like that. It's so nice, guys. It's so nice. So yeah, I think I have my Fitbit watch and maybe. Oh my god! I can't believe I waited this long. You know, I think I. Ooh, yeah. I wish you happy birthday. It's true. Today's my birthday. Not today's my birthday. Not my birthday, but I put it on. Tap to download the app. Pour commencer, pour innocence, lade. You know, I think it comes in several languages, but yeah. So you need to download the app to get started. So for the charger, I think it's really easy because I know I've seen this multiple times on where did I even see this on YouTube. So you just slap this on. It does. It's actually slap on. So wait. Okay, let me see if I can show you this guy. Let me show you. But you must say it. You know what? I think you guys are joking. You used to. Oh my god. Oh. You know what? I think. This is it, and you tried it, and you still. Oh my god! I hope I don't do anything. Oh my god. Okay, anyways. I hope I don't. Where's the instruction manual? Where's the other manual? I tried on it. Okay. So I think I'm going to get this to this later on, but okay. I think this manual comes in both French. Need help for product and troubleshooting information? Visit www.help.fitbit.com to get started. Yeah, so it comes in several languages, and I'll have to figure that out later on. So I'm going to get started with my watch and see. I'm going to get started with my Fitbit watch and just see how it goes so far, and I'm going to come back with my final feedback concerning, or rather my final review concerning what I feel about my Fitbit watch. Honestly, this thing should not just Do you know, I think I should have gotten the blue. It comes in blue, and camera kind of stopped working, so here I am again. I'm back. So so basically this is it. It says Fitbit, you can see clearly, and this is the band. I don't know, I should have gotten the blue or the black one, but then again I think this is really nice. It goes over my skin. Yeah, so I have to download the app now and start using it. It will help you monitor every single thing that you have. Okay, so for those wondering, Fitbit helps you track your heart rate, your sleeping modes, you know, when you're in REM mode and all of that. So yes guys, I'm super excited about my Fitbit. Can't wait to get, you know, try it, sleep with it, do every single thing I want to do with it. And it's also water resistant. It is water resistant also, and yeah, it does everything. It helps you track your steps, check your BMI, every single thing concerning your health and wellness. And even as you sleep, you know, it helps you figure all of that out, how well you're sleeping throughout the night or during the day. It helps to literally track everything, and I love that about this watch. And also love the color. The band just reminds me of being a child, and well, I love how playful it is, you know. I love how playful it is. Yeah, and this is what the back looks like. So it's Fitbit. This is where the charger hooks enter, and it's so pretty. It's so pretty. It doesn't have, okay, for the Versa 3, it doesn't have like a click button. The Versa 2 has something here where you click, but the Versa 3 doesn't have that. It's a great piece of work and really, really good. So if you're an Android user, even iPhone users can also try this out, and it competes well with the smartwatch, like the Apple smartwatch. So this is for Android users, and this is just absolutely divine. Yeah, so like, come your way next week. It has been amazing creating this particular video, even though it kind of hurt my feelings when I was creating this, when I purchased this. But I think it's almost like a bittersweet experience for me with the Versa 3 and getting this one. And I'm really, really proud of myself concerning the fact that I am going through a milestone. I'm hitting a milestone March 22nd, my birthday, and I'm super excited about it. I can't believe I got this. What are you thinking? What have I done? Anyways, alright guys, please like, subscribe, and yeah, share. Goodbye. Love you.